In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fawesome TV on Smart TV. First thing you need to do is you need to head over first on your Google Play Store or to your App Store. Once you're in there, you just need to search for Fawesome, which is this application right here with this particular logo. If the install option is available, make sure to click on the install in order to install this directly on your device. So in there, in order to use this, you actually need to have an account. So for this case, once you open Fawesome, click on the This Watch Now option, and then from in there, you will be required to actually sign up for an account. You can also see right here some movies that you can watch. So for example, let's try to watch right here this one. You can just click on play. Then you should be able to watch that particular movie right here if you would want to right there. So in there, you can just proceed to play this, unmute, and then you can enjoy watching those movies. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.